Have you ever lost your phone and you don't have access to your contacts again? I know that is very frustrating. But in today's video, I'm going to show you how to save your contacts to your Google account so you can have access to them. Welcome to my channel. My name is Blessing. If you are new here, you're welcome. If you're old, thank you for staying with me. I appreciate you. So open your Google Play Store. When you open your Google Play Store, use the search bar and search for contacts. So when you type on the search bar contacts, it's going to bring you the contacts app by Google. Google has an app, so just search for it. You see it. I already have it installed in my phone. If your own is like this, you just click on open. If not, you see install, you install it. So when you install it, you give it permission to your contacts and to be able to make calls on your phone. When you do that, it's going to pop up and show you something like this for you to turn on backup and sync your contacts, because I've already signed in using my email address into this phone. So it will ask you if you want to sync contacts from your SIM card, which I will also remove this contact from the SIM and import it to my Google account. I will just click on import from SIM and sync. So why you need to do this is because you need to have this account, these contacts always. So when you click on organize, you'll be able to merge and fix duplicate contacts. Maybe you save them randomly. Also, you'll be able to add reminders for your birthdays, for your family members. You can also add emergency contacts. People don't need to unlock your phone to be able to have access to this. You can turn on to save a family group, create a group that has up to 6 people. You can empty your trash. Maybe you merged and fix contacts. You can import from file to your Google contacts. You can add a custom ringtone to any particular number. Also, when you open your dial, where you dial your numbers, just click on contacts and click on these settings here. So when you click on the settings, you will see default storage for this phone. Because I did factory reset on it, is on phone contact. So I'm going to choose for you to be saved to my Gmail account, so that anytime you can see it has changed. Anytime I save any number, it will go straight to my Gmail account. So I want to ask you, what is your takeout from this video? Do you have any questions? I'd like to take them in the comment section. So thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, comment and share this video with your contacts that may need it, so that they will not have a heartbreak when they don't have access to their phone again. You can always access your contacts as long as you can access your email address. Thanks.